Crazy.
Hello loved ones, we are back at it again with another video here on Gigi's Thrive Guide, where you get your short, your sweet, your simple things to do near you and ways to thrive. Guys, today I pulled up to the one and only Hungry Black Man's Restaurant, and he partnered along with a former NFL star. I believe his name is Mr. Kayvon. Y'all, the restaurant is called Smith and Webster Restaurant and Bar. I'm gonna show y'all the vibes so y'all can see the vibes, so y'all can see how it is. Okay, I am so excited. Like, I'm starving, y'all. I didn't eat at all. Like, I didn't eat at all. I woke up, went to film some content, okay, and now I'm here. Let's get into it. Don't you understand? We are inside. Thank you. Y'all, this is a light. Okay. So they already brought me a water, and I didn't even have to ask. Come on now. So y'all, this is the general area. So we're starting off with our drink. Yeah. The drink is giving. This is the strawberry mojito with the sugar on the rim. Yeah. So our food is here. We got our chicken sliders and macaroni. Now we have some seafood rice, y'all, with shrimp. Oh my God.
Talented, brilliant, incredible, amazing, show-stopping, spectacular, never the same, totally unique, completely not ever been done before.
Guys, I finished my food. I feel like I look dusty and crusty because I had this makeup on all day, OMG. But y'all, food, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10. I had the seafood rice, I had the mac and cheese, and then I had the it was truffle mac and cheese. And then I had the mango mojito. Wow. As you can tell, the mojito got to me just a little bit. Just a little bit. And then I had the, what was it? The sliders, y'all. Them chicken sliders. Yes. And one thing about me, I don't like heavy, greasy food, because greasy and heavy food will make you feel sick. I'm going to tell y'all right now, all that food I just had in there, I felt amazing. And mind y'all, I didn't eat all day. Like, I woke up at 8 a.m. and I didn't eat. I didn't even have water. Don't judge me, because I was rushing. You know, when you're rushing and excited to go get your content, you kind of sometimes can forget to do what matters most, which is nourish your body with good food. So I had to pull up. Now my bill was about $56 with tip included, and they do charge an 18% gratuity fee, which of course is high for a majority of people in the world. But you know, if you're trying to catch a vibe, you're visiting Miami for the first time ever, and you want to have amazingly good food and amazing customer service, because the people were amazing. They even came up to me multiple times to make sure I was straight. I asked them to add extra strawberry in my mojito, because I feel like it was a little bit too strong for me, because I'm a lightweight, as y'all can see, because I'm talking like 80 miles per hour. And what else? They even asked me how would I rate my experience. Like, they really care. Like, you could tell they care about how you feel about the food. They're not just, oh, here you go, bye. They don't dress inappropriately, even though, of course, that's like, for some people, that doesn't matter. But for me, I feel like it does matter, especially if you bring your mans. You know what I mean? Like, you want it to be bourgeois, and it was giving bourgeois, black and bourgeois. So definitely pull up, eat good, catch a vibe. Bring your man here, bring your girl here, whoever. Do not bring your, this is not a place to bring your side chick. I'm gonna keep it real with y'all, because the bill is not high, but you know, the bill is more than average, and you know, it's clean, everything. It's not an average spot. So I'm gonna say this: Hungry Black Man and his partner, they did an amazing job. Now I'm about to go home and go to sleep good. And because I ate good. You hear me? I'm about to go home and go to sleep good because I ate good. But y'all, thank you so much for watching this video. Tune in next week and the week after and the week after. What is this? Something that look like it's under my eye. Tune in and the week after and the week after. And I got y'all on some bomb spots to try. Thank y'all for watching. I'll see y'all next time.